In this quick video, we will cover the most crucial aspect of Nonprofit Cloud fundraising module, which is called Fundraising Operations application. This application allows you as a nonprofit organization to orchestrate all your fundraising data about gifts, gift transactions, gift commitments, gift schedule, and other information. It allows you to link all this data together, run the analytics, do the gift transaction processing in bulk or one by one, and it allows you to get insights from your fundraising data. So let's start with the most important object here, and because we're in Salesforce, we are using the standard object which is called account, but in the fundraising context it represents a donor. I already have a test record that I will be using in this demo. The second object is very important, and this one is specific to Nonprofit Cloud, and this is a gift designation object that shows you the purpose of a specific gift transaction that you receive from your donor. Your organization always should have some default designation, and I also created this custom one, which is a food distribution designation. Let's check how we will use it. Let's go to gift commitments, and this object represents some donation that are promised to you, but the ones that you're not fully get by this time. For example, this can be recurrent donation or some government grant or any future payments or future gifts. All this data is represented as a gift commitment. Let's create a new one. I will use Luke as a donor, and I already can move it to status active. And for example, Luke Skywalker recurring donation. And now we can provide some additional information. I will not set expected end date because I assume this is a forever commitment from Luke. Let's click save. And let's review what we have on this page. And this page is pretty detailed. First of all, let's change the designation, what we have mentioned earlier. By default, this commitment is linked to this default designation with 100% commitment percentage. Let's change it to food distribution. We will keep the same 100% commitment to make sure all Luke's gifts go to food distribution. Now let's schedule some way how Luke sends his money to our nonprofit organization. I will set, for example, the 1st of November as a start date. We are not setting end date. And let's say Luke will send his money every month. The transaction interval is 1 month. Let's say we will use 25 euros as a transaction amount, and gift transaction day, for example, it can be any day in the month. I'll pick the first one. The payment method, for example, check, and optionally this is good for reporting purposes. It's better to give some context about campaign. Where we got this donor from. Let's say it's Given Tuesday, and I will save this schedule, and let's refresh this page. You can see that it's automatically refreshed, and I see next future transactions that I will receive, and now this commitment is active. I can perform several actions with this commitment. I can upgrade or downgrade it depending on the amount or depending on the scheduled dates. I can update payment method and perform other operations with this commitment. And this commitment is now active. So let's switch to another object which is also very important for fundraising operations, which is gift batches. Gift batches allows you to process your gift transactions in bulk. Let's say we will create a new gift batch, and for example, December 2025 batch. I would like to receive 100 euros in this month. Sorry, I'll have only two accounts, and but 100 euros. And let's save it. And in this batch, I can add multiple gift entries that should fulfill my estimation. Let's say I will get something from Luke, and for example, receive date is the 1st of or the 2nd of December. I will schedule a new recurrent gift that I will receive from Luke. Let's say monthly 50. So on this page we create one gift entry that allow us to fulfill the whole batch. So let's save it. And we can also populate one more commitment, for example, from some organization like Burlington, let's say 11th of December, gift amount another 50 euros, credit card, let's save it, and we can close. I think 2 entries for now is enough because of course in reality gift batch can have thousands of entries. So you see in this gift batch I have 2 gift entries, one from Luke, one from Burlington. Luke is a person account, Burlington is a represents company, and let's do a dry run with this account. And I think we can do a batch processing. When the batch is processed, all gift entries should be processed, and Salesforce under the hood will create gift transaction record for each of these gift entries. And each of gift transaction record represents the actual payments. And here it is. And this is the place where you can connect to your, for example, Stripe account, for any other payment processors, and all operations with gift transactions are automated in Salesforce, and you see that Salesforce automatically populates all fields here, and that's why you can use these fields in your analytics in fundraising operations model. So that's it. That's more or less all objects that you can use in fundraising operations application.